Wireless Pro. Let's unbox it. Okay, let's see what comes inside. This was broken from the shop. I did not take it out yet. So let's get it out and let's see what do we get inside. Oh, we get a USB-C to USB-C cable, and then we get these two cases. And that's pretty much it. Let's see the accessory case. All right, so what do we get inside? We have a USB-C to lightning cable. Hopefully that is gonna be useless soon. And we have a red TRS cable. What else do we get? We get the magnetic clips, 2 of those. We get some compliance notice. USB-C to USB-C cable again. Some foamy bits for the microphone. Some more foamy bits for the microphone, and these color-coded thingies that you can put on the microphone. And there are also clips for the lavs. What's that? I think that's a cleaning cloth. And there we go. 2 Rode lavalier 2 microphones. Let's continue. And then we get 5 of those. Oh no, okay. We get 3 dead cats for the built-in microphones on the transmitters. And then we get 2 dead cats for the lavalier microphones. And that is it for the accessory case. Let's open the charging case. Whoop. And in the charging case, you have the set of 2 transmitters and a receiver. Oh, it immediately powers on. So this is the receiver. And these are the transmitters with the representative addresses. So let's do the peel. Oh yeah. Okay, the transmitters seem to be unpaired, and the way you pair them is short press the right navigation button right here and then hold to pair 1. Pair now. Now short press the button on the receiver, and that is paired. Let's pair another one. Short press. Wait. Yep. Pair now. Short press on 2. And there we have it. So we have paired those transmitters to the receiver. Now it is time to change them. Well, guess what? These are not set to record out of the box, so my first take is ruined. So this is the second take. I am wearing both the transmitter and the lavalier microphones close to each other. I'm gonna be switching between the 2 and my Rode Video NTG, which is out of frame, just so you can compare them. Again, the sound treatment is not as good here, but I'm sure there will be plenty of more professional videos somewhere on YouTube comparing everything in a professional environment. So this is how those microphones sound when switching between the 2. This is the lavalier and this is the transmitter. And this is the Rode Video NTG. Again, this is just the first impressions video and not an in-depth review. But I might make an in-depth review soon, so make sure you are subscribed to my channel. What you are hearing now are the internal recordings of the transmitters that have been synced with the timecode. So let's see if this is in sync. It hopefully is. And with that said, here are my observations that I've done in a couple of hours.
The Rode Wireless Pro comes in 2 cases, a charging case and an accessory case. It would have been nice if they've also included an accessory pocket in the charging case so that lavs could be stored there. The charging case weighs 179 grams empty and 285 grams with the equipment. The accessory case comes in at only 64 grams empty. Both cases measure 102/83/70 millimeters at their thickest locations without squeezing them. The charging case comes with a 4200 milliamp hour battery and should hold 2 full microphone charges according to Rode. It also doubles as a docking hub for the equipment, meaning that you only need a single USB cable to connect all 3 devices to the computer. The receiver unit has its own spot inside the case due to slightly different dimensions. The devices turn on immediately after being removed from the case, and this behavior cannot be changed, at least at the time of making this video. The receiver also has a plug-in power detect, which means that it will automatically power on and off together with the camera. This feature can be disabled in the Rode Central application. Transmitters also provide plug-in power, which means that if you connect microphones such as Rode VideoMic NTG, it will power on together with the transmitter. That is great because it's one less thing to worry about during the shoots. Receiver turn-on time is the same as Wireless Go, although it feels a little bit faster. The transmitter turn-on time is slightly faster compared to Wireless Go. Another new thing on the transmitters is the newly added record button at the top and the battery indicator LED at the bottom. Since the battery indicator is now in another place, one of the top LEDs now acts as a recording indicator. Another great addition is the locking connector on the 3.5mm input, so you can be confident that your lavs won't get unplugged. And speaking about lavs, the package comes with 2 Rode Lavalier 2 microphones, which also double as strangulation devices due to included Kevlar. If you ever wanted to become a hitman, now is your chance. There are 2 of those tiny clips in the set, and from what I've heard, they are very easy to lose and you cannot buy any spare ones. The set also comes with 4 of the foamies for the lavs and 2 dead cats. However, Rode really missed an opportunity to relocate the mic input to another side because lavs need to be removed in order to put transmitters into the charging case. The transmitters are a tiny bit thicker compared to Wireless Go, and the USB port is also on a slightly different position. Wireless Go transmitters can still be placed inside the charging case, but I wouldn't really recommend it because it feels quite snug and might break the USB connectors after a while. The clips on the transmitters are also a tiny bit thicker, but this is enough to make them no longer be able to fit in the VideoMic NTG's cold shoe sled. Wireless Go had no problem with that. This is quite unfortunate because VideoMic and wireless transmitter are a powerful combo, especially with 32-bit float recording. I personally don't like the sound of lav mics in general because they require messing with EQ, however I do love these devices as extremely portable recorders. One great use case that I found for myself is recording my desk microphone. All I do is just plug the Wireless Pro to the headphone port and I get a quality recording with a timecode which I can easily sync in post. Please let me know if you want a more in-depth video about this. Lastly, there are these metal clips that are quite tedious to put on, but you can use them with magnets if there's no place to clip on the mic. The magnets are slightly rubberized and are soft to the touch, so they don't feel cold or scratchy. I am still yet to use these microphones in this configuration, so I cannot really comment on that.
And before you go, make sure to click a like button on this video, and the Rode Wireless Pro has been unboxed, and with that said, I'll see you in another video.